Okay, so first, we're going to start off on TopstepX.com. You have already purchased your trade-in combine 50K account. You're going to go down until you see accounts. Click on accounts. Once you click on accounts, it'll bring you to your trading accounts. Hit the button that says add-ons. Once you hit add-ons, it will say practice account. Activate. Launch TopstepX. Okay, so clearly you see there's 1 of 11 here. I'm not going to go through all of these. I'm just going to X out. Down here where it says TopstepX TV, X that out. We don't need that, okay? Over here where it says DOM, X that out, okay? Order, yes, we're going to keep order. Time and sales, no, X that out, all right? We're then going to take this arrow and drag it over so it'll be like that. We're also going to X out of all of these. The tilt, X. Quotes, X. Orders, X. Positions, X. Accounts, X. Only thing we want down here is our trades. That's all we want to focus on. We don't want anything else down there. All we need to know is our trades. Then we drag it down like this for now. So here we are. It says practice account. Okay, 150K practice. If you hit the arrow down, you'll see combine, practice. Make sure you're in your practice account. Okay, now we're going to customize our chart. We're going to go to settings right here, settings. We are going to go to symbol. We are going to change this to pink or purple because I want it to be pink. This is what I am doing to my charts. You do not have to do the same. This is just me and what I like to do. You can pick whatever color you want. Okay, so we have that. We'll go over to scales and lines, scroll down, count down to bar close. Check that because we want to make sure that we see the countdown timer on the candle. We have the volume bars down here at the bottom of my screen. I'm going to remove the volume bars. I don't want them. Over here, the search bar. This is where you type for the symbol that you want to trade. If you're trading MES, you go here, you type in MES. If you're trading ES, then you type in ES. And as you can see, it changes right here. It also changes over here. If you want to trade NQ, okay, it will change. Make sure that this contract is changing with what you searching, the symbol you're searching. Time frames are up here. We have the 15-minute, we have the 1 hour, we have the daily time frame. Okay, we also have the 4 hour. Okay, if you're trying to put on your indicators, you go to here where it says FX, hit that, indicators. Search up what you're looking for. If I'm looking for the moving average, I will hit moving average. Okay, it's automatically on over here. As soon as you hit it, it pops up over here. If you're someone that likes to use the VWAP, there we go. You can add the VWAP. If you're someone that wants RSI, there's RSI. If you're for right now, I have the 9 MA. If I wanted to, I could go to settings and I can change the 9 to the 20 or the 200. Okay, so I'll put on the 200 and boom. So now I have the 200 MA. If I wanted to add the 9 and the 200, I would just go back over here and I would hit moving average again. And then I would just add the 9 to my chart and she's right there. If I want to change the color of the 9, I will go to style and I will change this color to green, okay, and make it bigger so that I know what I'm looking at. Okay, so we now know how to put on our indicators. We know how to switch between time frames. We also know how to customize our candles. We also know how to search for the symbols that we want to trade. If we want to know how to draw a line on our charts, here's the easy shortcut. Horizontal line, you click it, and then we want to drop a line. Boom. So now we just drew a line. If you don't see the horizontal line right there, you can go over here, trend line tools. Hit the arrow. You have a trend line, you have array, you have extended, all right, horizontal. The horizontal line is starred. I'm also going to star the trend line. So when you star them, they're up here, easy access, okay? Okay, see, that wasn't so bad. Hopefully this was less than 5 minutes, easy to set up. We have our practice account on here now. Now we can get in and out of trades without risking the money from the combine account. We're here to practice and get our reps in before going over to the combine account. All right, see you guys in the next one.